Lake Merwin. Wow, beautiful. Hey guys, and welcome to another channel of the Pacific Northwest Lip Rippers. We're out here at Lake Merwin. We have not been here in 8 years, guys. 8 years. We're going to be out here fishing for kokanee today. We've heard that everyone is getting their limits. So we cannot wait, guys. Look how beautiful it is here. My golly, it is a gorgeous day. Light wind. Nice and warm already. I think we're pushing almost 70 degrees right now. Just a beautiful day. Alrighty, first poles in the water. We're gonna go till that number says 50. Keep your thumb on here so the line doesn't have an opportunity to get tangled up. It lets the line out a little bit slower. If you let it out too fast, it'll get tangled up and it will be a rat's nest that you don't want to have to clean up. Alright, we're at 50. Okay? Flick that barrel right there. We're at 50. I'm gonna let it fish. Wait for a fish to get on the line. Look how beautiful it is out here today, guys. Couldn't ask for a better day. Slight wind, not too bad at all. Nice and sunny. I think it's about 65 degrees out right now. Not quite sure. Water temp, I think was, not really sure. 63 degrees. So actually a fairly warm water temp. But just a beautiful day. We're out here at Lake Merwin, here in Washington. We have not fished out here in probably 8 to 9 years, we think. It's been a long time. Little backstory on this lake that we used to fish. We used to come out here with my adopted grandpa. His name was Buddy, and he'd always take us out here fishing for kokanee. This man, I tell you, he knew everything about this lake. How to fish it, where to fish it, when to fish it, you name it. He knew how to fish this lake. And he always wrote it in a book, so pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. Great man. Now we're out here fishing for him. Let's catch some fish. Guys, we got our first fish. Let's see. Bring him in the boat. Okay, guys. First kokanee. Look at that, guys. We got our first fish. 12, 13. Woo! Our first kokanee of the year. Woo! Come here, buddy. Check it out, guys. Check it out. Sweet. Hold on, buddy. Still moving. Hey, let's settle down. There we go, buddy. Look at that. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, we need to have a talk about how much you're moving. First kokanee, guys, in the boat. Beautiful. Man, we have not caught kokanee in forever. Super exciting, guys. Alright, guys, got another fish on. It's all because I started eating something. Happens all the time. As soon as I start eating something, I got a fish on. That's the trick. Alright, look at that, guys. Woo! Fish right there. Alrighty, going until that says 60. That's what we caught our first kokanee on. Alrighty. 60. Alright, we're set. Now, it's time to catch some fish. Got one in the boat. Alrighty, guys. Let's see if we can catch another fish. Now, that's a fishing. Alrighty. We just brought our third fish in the boat. You can kind of see the eye there. Dad, try putting it on your hand there. So that... Check it out, guys. Kind of hard to see. There we go. Look at that. He hooked the eye and the eye's still there. Look. Nice fish. Good job, Dad.
I see.
I see that you did that nice. Good job. Nice kokanee right there. 3 in the boat. We got a fish on. Fish on, guys. Fish on. Oh, no fish. Get on. Fish on, guys. Fish on. And he got away again. Dadgum, what is going on? Look at that, guys. We got an eagle. Alrighty, trying a new blade out that I just got today. Check that out. Wow, that is flashy. Kind of see the colors that are in it. Pink, blue, green. Yeah, look at that. And the hoochie I have is, oops, sorry guys. Show you right here. Check that out. Oh, that's a good color combination right there. They've been biting on pink most of the morning and afternoon. So this should be a good combination right here. We're gonna test it out and hit the waters. We just went in for a quick second for a quick break. Now we're gonna get back out, catch some fish. Check out all our blades, guys. I don't know how we ended up with 3 watermelon guys, but hey, it happens. Check it out. Pretty sweet. Okay guys, we just need 10 more to fill it. You think you guys could help us? Just 10 more blades to fill this. That'd be pretty sweet. The more blades, the better. Let's see if we can fill this, guys. Alrighty, all tied up, packed up, everything strapped down. We are ready to go. Let's do our walk around. Have you guys join me in that? Alright, plug is pulled. This is strapped down, both sides. Always do a wiggle check. Same with that. Alright, let's get our straps on here. These things are pretty cool, guys. We love these things. Nice and tight. Let's do our other one. Let's get that strap on. Alrighty, connected. Pull that red tab, that kind of releases this. Tighten it up. Nice and tight. Good to go. Alrighty. As always, guys, double check that your trailer's hooked up right. You just never know. Nobody's really gonna mess with your stuff. Connect that. in just like that. That's hooked up. That's nice and tight. Just double check, guys. You just never know. Lights are hooked up. Hooked. We are ready to go. Just do one more final walk around. Okay. Everything's good and snug. Yep, good and snug. We are ready to go. It's a great day out here, guys. Hardly anybody out there left on the water. Thanks again for following along, guys. So glad you were here with us. Again, please follow our channel, Pacific Northwest Lip Rippers. So glad you guys can join us. Please like, subscribe, and follow.